Okay, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about some stuff I got from AWP. They sent me some stuff to review, so let's get into it. Alright, the first thing they sent me is, I'll show you this was the package that was on it. Some leather gloves. I don't guess it has a part number. I don't know. Anyway, there's the back of it if you want to pause on that and get numbers off of it. But you can see right there what they're called. Anyway, okay, here they are. As you can see, I've already used these a little bit. They're great. I used to have a pair of these a while back. I'm assuming they was this brand. I don't know how long this brand's been out. Maybe a good while, I'm not sure. But I really needed this is a large. I really needed an extra large. Hold on, I'll show you why. Okay, you see this right here? This is, the opening is, I mean, it's elastic filling, but it's kind of small to get your hands in. Now, once I get my hands in, they fit okay, but I think I could have used an extra large. I just noticed I almost got a hole in them right there already. But like I said, they're good. They're good gloves. So far, anyway. I haven't used them that much, but as you can see, I have used them some. They're going to go in my truck because I got regular mechanics gloves for here at the house. So they're going to go in the truck because we're always going places and doing stuff for people and need them. So, okay, I got one more thing from them. Let me get it over here and get into it. Okay, the next thing is this big old dude. Let's see, I don't know if this is the back or the front. Yeah, that's the back. Sorry about that. Let me move the gloves out the way. From AWP. I guess that's to hang I guess that's to hang your tape measure on. But you see it's got all these pockets. One there, and of course this one in the front, and then it's got one behind it, a big pocket. This thing is freaking huge. And let me turn it around again, and it's got the same thing, 2, 4, 6 pockets on this side, on the outside. Now, it's supposed to be made where you can open it, well, I guess you can, with one hand. Well, I just opened that while I was holding the camera. Now, of course, I haven't used this that much. So it's still trying to fold down like it was in the package, or in the box that they sent it in. Kind of looks like it might be trying to rip right there already. That's not good. But as you can see, all this stuff was in my other tool bag that was in my truck. And this ain't even close to being full. This thing is freaking huge. Super nice. I love it. I don't know if it's going to fit under my seat like the other one did, but we'll see. It also came with a shoulder strap that got hooked right here. Probably going to use the shoulder strap for a strap for my weed eater for my wife when she wants to use it. Anyway, hold on just a minute. Okay, there's the other one that I have. As you can see, I've already did a video on this one. I bought this one from Lowe's or Home Depot. I don't remember what store I got it from. This is a good one too. I've been using the crap out of this one. But you see how much bigger that one is over that one. So this one fit under my seat fine, but I don't think that one is. We'll see. Okay, here is the little packaging that was on the bag, in case you want to see it. Some people like this kind of stuff. Here's another one. This is, there it goes, 22-inch TrapJaw tool bag. It is pretty amazing, pretty cool. Anyway, as you've seen, I already had one, a lot smaller one than this one. But they wanted to send me one to review. And now I did not have to do a YouTube video to review these. All they wanted me to do was review them online, which I've already done. But I figured I would go ahead and do a YouTube video on them too. Why not? So anyway, I'm gonna put this to some use. I've already put the gloves to some use. So we'll see, and I'll let you know how the bag holds up. Anyway, that's all I got for this one. I hope you liked it. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.